You don't need money to make money. You just need skill, time, and the right idea. Most people think, I'll start when I have money. But that's exactly why they never start. Today, I'll show you side hustles you can start with $0 and actually make money from. What is the big lie? People believe you need money to start. But think about this. Social media is free. Your phone is free. Your time is free. The real problem is not money. It's not starting. Because starting feels uncomfortable. What you really need. You don't need capital. You need a skill, internet connection, consistency. That's it. Most side hustles today are digital, and digital means low cost or zero cost. Let's dive in. First one is freelancing. You can sell simple skills like writing, video editing, designing, social media posting. Start with what you already know. Even basic skills can earn money. Example, you help someone manage their Instagram, you get paid. Second one is selling services locally. You don't need a website. Just look around you, offer them. Cleaning services, car washing, tutoring, helping small businesses. Start simple and talk to people. Most money is made by solving small problems. Third one is content creation. You can start with your phone. Create content about money, fitness, daily life, skills you have. Post consistently. You don't get paid immediately. But over time, content becomes income. Fourth one is online reselling. You don't need inventory. Start with selling items you already own, finding free or cheap items locally, flipping them online. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Amazon. Buy low and sell higher. Fifth one is print on demand. You don't need to buy products. You create designs. Platforms handle everything. They print, package it, and ship it. You earn profit per sale. No inventory, no risk. What is the real strategy? Here's the simple plan. Start with one hustle, stay consistent, reinvest your earnings, upgrade your skills. Don't try everything. Pick one. Why most people fail. Overthinking, waiting for perfect timing, and quit too early. Success is not about ideas. It's about execution. Now here's the real question. Will you still be thinking about starting, or will you already be earning your first dollar?